Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Well, we woke up and all of a sudden it's December and it's time to start gift buying. And so I wanted to make this video for you because I love Walgreens and I find so many gifts there every year, and I thought it would be a great idea to do this video for you and show you all the cool things that you can get all under $25. So that's what I want to do, is 10 gifts under $25, and this is not sponsored by Walgreens at all. These are all gifts that I purchased for people that I know and love. So let's go ahead and get started. The first one is by Laura Ashley, and it's this little essential oil travel kit. This was $19.99. This would be a great gift for someone who may be hardcore into essential oils, or maybe for someone who's just getting started in it. But it comes with the diffuser, a little storage case. It comes with the essential oil and 2 oil pads. What a great gift for someone, and again, $19.99. Cannot beat this. This next gift is so fun. I know exactly who I'm giving this to. They are the diamond ice mold cube trays. So you know how like the guys always have them for the whiskey, the little round ball? Well, this is a diamond, and I have a friend who likes to drink her wine with ice in it. So she's gonna love this gift. This was only $9.99. This is so funny. Can't wait for her to get it. This next gift is also for a friend of mine who is all about relaxation. She takes a bath every night before she goes to bed, so I picked up this bamboo Bath Caddy tray. Check this out. It checks all the boxes. So it has a place for your phone or your tablet. It has a place for your soap. It has a place for your wine glass. I mean, all of those things, and it was $24.99. I actually want one of those. This next gift is so cool. This is a Himalayan salt lamp. It's actually a night light, and this is supposed to help promote sleep, produce positive ions, all those fun, cool things. And so if you have someone that's totally into this, this is a great gift, and it's only $14.99. It's a very unique gift. This next gift is actually for my dad's little puppy. Her name is Rosie. This is supposed to make a noise. Yeah. So this little pet bed was $9.99 with my card, with my Walgreens Balance Reward card. And I think it's normally $14. So it comes with this little squeaky toy. It comes with a little blanket and then just this bed. So I got this for his little dog. She stays in the basement. Her name is Rosie. He got Rosie after my mom passed away. And Rosie's brought him so much joy. So buying this little gift for them is kind of like buying a little gift for mama. I'll insert a clip of his little puppy and how happy he looks in this one little picture I've got. This next gift idea is kind of like a stocking stuffer if you want, but these are monogrammed little compact mirrors, and they're $4.99 a piece. Very cute, such a personalized gift for anybody that's on the go. You can take this out of the packaging if you want, maybe put a little tissue around it and make a really cute bow. That would be nice, just again as a regular gift or a stocking stuffer, and again for only $4.99. And I would like one of these too, with my name on it or my initials, because every time I'm like flying and I land and I'm always looking for my compact, I'm always trying to like wipe the makeup off my face because I've usually been asleep. But anyway, these are really cute gift ideas. Oh, the next one. This is one of my favorite ones. This is a little wine, little sack, little bag, and it comes with a little bow stopper. This is such a great gift. This is $9.99. If you're going to a party and you're taking a bottle of wine, maybe you could just take it in this. That would be a really sweet, thoughtful gift. Or maybe someone doesn't drink wine and they have a particular mixer that they like. You can drop that down in there. But this is just a really cute idea to give someone when you're giving them their favorite wine or something of that nature. Very cute. Oh, this next one is a really fun idea too. It's a passport holder and a luggage tag. This one is only $12.99. And this would be so fun if you know someone who's getting ready to go abroad, to pick this up for them. Or I always thought it'd be so cool if someone was going to buy me a trip and they put the plane ticket in there or something. That would be really cool. But again, this is a really cool gift for someone that travels, and it's only $12.99. Okay, nerd alert, but I love pens and pen sets. I might have to keep this for myself. But this is a three-piece ballpoint pen set, also by Laura Ashley. So cute. It's gold, pink, all the cute colors. This would be such a great idea for maybe somebody at church, maybe someone at school, a teacher. These are $9.99. Very cute, $9.99 for all 3 of them. And maybe you want to give them to someone at work, Or maybe you just want to keep them again for yourself so you're not toting around an ink pen that has like your insurance company name on it or something like that. It's a really cute gift. Again, $9.99. Oh my gosh, we're already at number 10. This is crazy. So number 10 is these mini champagne flutes. These are so cute. $12.99 for 4 of these. Now, this would also be cute if you wanted to break this gift apart, maybe in 2s, and take it to a friend's house, you know, with a bottle of wine and celebrate together, or maybe you just keep it as a box. And I think this is also a good gift for yourself, because every time I'm having company and we're gonna have champagne, I always feel like my glasses look like crap, and I like reach in the cabinet and I go, oh, these are so ugly. But these would be really cute just to keep in storage too, and that way you have something really cute and it's just like a little tiny dab of champagne. Who wants that? It's a holiday. Let's take it all. So I have a bonus gift to show you. This is a little mini snow globe with my picture and my husband's picture. When we got married, we actually took some of our wedding photos and we uploaded them to Walgreens.com, and we did these little wallet size ones, and then I picked up these snow globes there for $2.99. You just kind of unscrew this. I put some red construction paper in here, put our picture in, screwed it back on, and gave this to my parents, his parents, our grandparents. Such a cute gift for like $3.50. I mean, what else can you buy for that? Really not a lot. But this is such a great idea. You can put a family photo in here. You can put a pet photo, anything like that. But this is just such a sweet, personalized gift. And if you're on a budget like everybody else, this could be a really good alternative for you. So that is it. 10 gifts, all under $25 from Walgreens. I hope that you found this message valuable today. I hope that you stop by Walgreens and stock up, and you don't put yourself through all that torture of going to all those other retail stores. Just stop by Walgreens and pick them up. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I would love for you to consider that. That would mean the world to me. Otherwise, I hope that you guys have a great week. Take care, and we'll talk again soon. Thank you.